Alright, so this is the maiden voyage of the Gator here. I've driven it around a little bit. Drove it home from the dealer. Apparently all you need is the slow moving vehicle flag or tag or whatever you want to call it. The little triangle reflector on the back. I mean, I can, anywhere in the city of Barnesville, basically, I can drive it on the street whenever I want. Just use common sense and whatever. But that's the thing about this Gator. So it's a John Deere 835 XUV 835M. It's 50 horsepower, four-wheel drive, and in high. Well, I pulled out of the dealer on 41 and was worried about it, except for that I was able to jump up to the speed limit at 45 miles an hour. So, no problem. And then I turned off of 41 onto Murphy, right yonder, across, from the intersection across from the house. Well, speed limit there is 35. I was doing that easy. So, slow moving nothing. If you can drive the speed limit, I reckon you're not slow moving. Anyhow. Oh. Got a delivery of some sort. Alright, so just a little delivery action. We'll wait for him to make his way. Anyhow, so I'm just going to fly around the property a little bit, see what's what. I've already picked all the limbs up that have felled today, so there's no more work to be done. So we can just kind of play around a little bit. already toted a bunch of branches that had fallen off. There was some high wind here last day or two, and the pecan limbs are brittle, and so the small ones will fall off. And then I discovered I could play like polo with it, you know. You can just get riding with the gator and slow down, hold on to the steering wheel, lean down to the ground, and just scoop it up and throw it over your head, and it'll land in the bed. Then you just tote it back over here, and it's got a little manual dump bed like a dump truck. So you just dump it over there in the pile, and then you can carry them up to the street. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, trucks come by and pick it up. Self, headlights do not go off when you turn the key off. So, oh shit. Am I supposed to be locking the transaxle when I switch to four-wheel? I need to do a little reading on the old manual here, looks like. Well, anyhow, hold on a second. Door-to-door service. Gotta love it. That's pretty cool. Wow, this is going to be a lot of fun.